also share one of my understandings that unless we speak, silence is the consent. Hello everyone, I'm Prarthana Chand. I'm the General Secretary for Student Executive Council of Xavier University Bhubaneswar for the year 2020-21. I would like to congratulate PRESM, XUB, that is People Respecting Egalitarianism, Sexuality and Mental Illness, for launching its YouTube channel to promote the very cause of its constitution. We all are in the middle of a pandemic, and this pandemic is affecting all of us in every aspect possible, and wherein we see a prominent and invariant discourse on mental illness, depression, gender orientation, cultural hypothesis, social paradigms of understanding and extending hands of help is what we must all reconstruct in our thought processes and normalize the very essence and need of PRESM in an institutional setup. In XUB, we have channelized and we are mainstreaming all that it takes to tackle the hectic schedules, the stress, the pressure, and the very landscape of respecting and encouraging gender egalitarianism in a B school where we welcome students from all parts of the country from different social and cultural backgrounds. So creating an atmosphere where one feels to be at home, where one is warmly welcomed to uplift the subcultural need of a gender-based acknowledgement, PRESM has a very big role to play. I would like to stress on the fact that peer learning and personal persuasive monitoring mechanisms is sensitive and is a prerequisite when we look through the lens of an educational institution. But everything starts with a small step. Hear, listen, speak, look around. These could be mere words for some people, these could be mere verbs for some people, but I must say that these words carry volumes of life within them. Listen to people around, speak up whenever in need. We all come with an obligation to listen, to help and to motivate each other. Brotherhood is what our law even talks about. I would like to share a few of my insights and learnings from my MBA journey this far. I have realized that respect, understanding and the conscience which stands up with the right intention is a winner in itself, irrespective of failure or success. I would also share one of my understandings that unless we speak, silence is the consent. And the consent which is silent pushes us back again into the same bog of overthinking, of stigmas, of complexities, and eventually the broader terms of depression and mental illness. One of my biggest takeaways from my MBA journey would be the habit to address challenges, whether personal or not. It helps a lot of people in the process. The people we interact with, the people we come across, we all evolve and grow throughout the process. An example gets created irrespective of gender. PRESM is here, however and whenever in need. There's a lot more in the pipeline for all of you, for all of us. I'm sure we are supporting a cause which is aiming to gift a new life to people, to gift a new life in life itself. My best wishes to Team PRESM for launching the YouTube channel, and I'm sure the YouTube channel is definitely going to do wonders. Just to leave you all with a thought, I would like to share a few lines from one of my collections, from one of my books, Those Scribble Lines. When the water stays murky and the dust goes unnoticed, keep going for the burnishing and find out your own virgin portion. When family is unreachable and friends stop to exist, keep going for the acquaintances and create your own cult. When the stomach wants food and the throat is parched, keep going for the tears that will show you that life is still there. When grief hugs you tightly and downs do not go up, keep going in search of your lost laughter. I swear you'll cope up. When the sun ceases to rise and darkness descends your eyes, keep going in the quest of life and you shall reach the stars.